Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Bakale. Today I am going to discuss on the topic cohort study, case control study and the cross sectional study. So the cohort study, case control study and the cross sectional study are the three common types of the epidemiological research design used to investigate the relationship between various factors and the health outcomes. So each study designs has its own characteristics and its purposes. So let's talk about the cohort study. Cohort studies are the prospective observational studies designed to examine the and effect uh, cause and the effect relationship between the exposure means the risk factors and the outcomes. Outcomes means the disease or a health events over a period of a time. Then researchers select for that the researchers select a group of individual who share a common characteristics or a exposure, that is a smokers, people exposed to a specific chemical. These individuals are then followed over the time to track the development of the health outcomes. Then, data is collected at the multiple time points, allowing researchers to measure exposures and outcomes as they occur. Their strength allow the assessment of the temporal relationship. They can establish causality to a greater extent than other observational design. Their limitations, time consuming and costly, not suitable for rare outcomes. Then second point is the case control study. So the case control studies are the retrospective observational studies designed to investigate the causes of a specific outcomes, that is a disease, by comparing individuals who have the outcomes with those who do not. Then the study design, researchers identify a group of cases and a group of a control, and the collect the information about their post exposures. Then the data collection. Data is collected retrospectively by the interviewing the participants or the reviewing records to determine their to determine their prior exposures. Then the strength suitable for the studying rare outcomes, relatively quick and cost effective. Then their limitations, can they cannot establish temporal relationships, then prone to recall a bias. Third one is the our third topic is the cross sectional study. So the cross sectional studies are the observational studies that examine the relationship between the exposure and the outcomes at a single point in a time. So the researchers collect data from a sample of individuals at one specific time, capturing information about the exposure and the outcomes. Then their data is collected at a single time point, providing a snapshot of a population's characteristics. Then their strengths are quick and cost effective. They are useful for the accessing the prevalence of health outcomes and the exposure in a population. Then their limitations, cannot establish causal relationship or a temporal sequence, that does not account for changes in the exposure or outcomes over the times. So this is about the cohort study, case control study and the cross sectional study. So the cohort study are ideal for establishing causality and tracking changes over the time. Then case control study are the useful for the investigating the rare outcomes, and the cross sectional studies provide a snapshot of the population at a single point in a time. The choice of study design depends on the research questions and the availability of resources. So this is all about the case control study, cohort study and the cross sectional study. Thank you.